Guys, welcome to my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Haws, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to access and use the amp sims that come free with your plugins for GarageBand for your iMac. Without further ado, let's get started. Woo! Alright guys, go ahead and click on your GarageBand icon to get started. Now we're going to use new project, and we're not going to worry about any of this stuff here, but I am using an audio interface to use my guitar direct. I'm going through my audio interface to access with my guitar direct to access the amp sims. Now, so mine's a Tascam US series. That's why mine says this here. So make sure if you're using audio interface, it says that to you, okay? And hit choose. And for an audio interface to run your guitar through for the amp sims, getting some type of volume. And once that's set, now we're going to go ahead and go over to right over here. Now this is your library. Now you can go and access like your amp sims and like set sounds already by clicking on this bad boy, and then going to say I like to use distortion guitar a lot. Go there, and then you've got all these different presets. They're already sounds set for you, and then you can go in and fine tune those. Now that's easy to go do it that way, which I do that very often. But another way it's really fun is I like to go and build my own sound from scratch. So, and if you're like me, you probably like to do that too. So at first I'll like start off with I'll just go straight with nothing. I choose nothing here, and I'll go straight down to this part, the track part, and I'll click on plugins, and I'll scroll down, and here there's you can see the empty plugin. You can go ahead and click on that, and it will light up this screen, and go to amps and pedals, and we're going to go to Amp Designer. And there is your amp. So first you can dial in the sound of your guitar you want and what amp you want it going through, and you can position the mic where you want it by grabbing this and moving it. It's pretty sick. You can move it away, close to this. It's pretty awesome. And then you can just fine tune all this, and then you can go and actually change all the different combo, like British type or British modern, all this stuff, all different combos of amps, and then you got the actual, that's the model, and then you actually got the amp, and then so you can go do that too, and then you got the certain mic you want to use on it, a dynamic, you know, that kind of stuff. It's pretty sick. And then you got your cabinet also, what kind of speaker you want to go through. It all sounds slightly different, so it's fun to mess around with all those. And that's how you access your amp sims. You can also go up here, your presets, and put in what you want here, and go find, you know, this is more in depth. You want to go find some other sounds. Pretty cool. Anyways, that's your amp sims right there. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. Now, if you want to learn more about GarageBand, like how to use it more in depth with either your iMac, your iPhone, or iPad, please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. If you enjoyed any of the music you heard through any of my videos, please check out and you like the music, please check out my music channel at Jeremy Haws, and the band name that I go by is Haws. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Leave some comments. If you have any questions, leave some, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm your host, Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I would do that leaves it wide open. Woohoo! Yeah. Get some.